plus C4 plus C5 plus C6 plus C7. You can just press enter. So that's the sum of everything. If you are using the sum function and this also, now you can just copy this, Ctrl C to copy. You can copy it, Ctrl C, and you can paste it here. If you look at this, we have D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. I'm looking at this portion of the screen now. You see where my arrow is. You can see D5, the formula bar. You can see D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. I've copied it. If I paste it here, I will have E3, E4, E5, E6, E7. That's automatic. That's just how Excel does its own formatting. You can choose not to paste the value or something, but that's just Excel for you. To copy the formula or the referencing or the format of the cell to another cell. So that's just it. Same, but you can, it won't, because you know this is row wise. We did it row wise. You copy it from a row to another row. You can't do it here because it won't work, because this one is a column. So you can only sum for this plus this plus this. Now instead of copying like you copy, instead of copying and pasting, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. These are Ctrl C and Ctrl V. I hope every one of us can copy and paste. So instead of doing that, you can just autofill by you click on this. If you are mobile, as many of us are mobile, you can just you would have seen a you would have gotten. Okay, if you are mobile, you can, yes, if you are mobile, you can select everything like this. Select everything. Then to give you option. It will give you option to autofill, so you autofill. But on laptop, you can just drag it down. Let's drag it to the list. And just drag it down. So that's autofill. It will automatically fill. So if you look at it, you have C3, D3, E3. Here you have C5, D5, E5, which is what you want to sum. You have C6, D6, E6, which is C6, D6, and E6. So that's just the total of this. So now you've summed everything. This one is also the sum of everything that is here, and everything is in 7,508.05.